俺の血。It's getting worse. There's something here. I can feel it. Oh God.
So now you can generate infinite length of anime videos using Sora 2 with just a single prompt, and this will keep the character consistent throughout the video. Now you might be thinking this option isn't available on the Sora website, and how we gonna generate the lengthy videos with just a single prompt? Well, I got you covered. I found a method, so you don't have to worry about that. So I'm very excited. Let's dive in. So we're gonna use sjiin.ai. So basically this is an AI agent that have access to the multiple different tools using the Sora 2. And they also have some templates that you can try, but I personally customized this template for you by contacting their team. So basically it has two options. You can generate the video in just a single frame, continuous video. It could be 30 seconds, it could be 1 minute. There will be no cut in the video. And the other thing, you can use it for the short movies, short films that we're gonna try in a while. Now to use this, just click on this use this template and you will have this interface in front of you. Now let's begin with a very basic prompt. Make an anime video of a girl that is getting ready for a college, get her bus, go to the college early in the morning. It should be 40 seconds long video. Well, I mentioned 40 seconds. You can mention whatever time you prefer. It should be a good story, multiple shots, and use Sora 2. So don't forget to mention use Sora 2 because it has access to the multiple different models, right? And from here you can select the quality or the cheap model. Let's go with the quality. And here we have few settings, but I prefer you to keep it default and hit generate. And now this will start working on it. So in the first step you can see it generated the script. We have some prompts here, and if I just scroll down you can see these are all of the things that this AI agent is gonna implement in this process. So just to save our time, I just fast forward this video, and this is the complete process that it has been gone through. And here we have all of the content that it generated. First it generated the image, it animated that image, and here is the complete and final video in front of us.
Good morning, world. Okay, one more day. I can do this.
So everything is happening according to the prompt that we have mentioned. She wake up early in the morning, she's starting for the bus. So it followed the prompt very accurately. It crafted that story and it extended that story using the last frame. So this is only 40 seconds long video, but we're gonna generate the more lengthier videos, but this is just an example and it is working perfectly. Yes, I admit that there is a slight change in the sound effects when it changes to another clip, but I think this is acceptable. Now you can also get some help from the ChatGPT. For example, I gave the prompt, give me anime short story ideas. So here we have different kind of ideas, and then I continued with the horror story ideas. And here you can see we have psychological stories, we have supernatural stories, we have realistic horror stories. It all depends on you which one do you want to work on. Then I selected one of the story and I asked it to extend the script of this story. And here we have the lengthy script. But obviously we cannot paste the whole script as a prompt. I gave it a prompt to give me the outline of the story. And then I copied the complete outline and pasted this as a prompt. So basically the story is about a cursed camera that captures the future of someone. So let's watch the video. Okay, so it starts with the rain. And now she's here to purchase a camera from this old guy. Okay, so he warns her. And now it started happening. The picture turned into something else.
No, no! What? What are you? I'm not making it up. It feels like something's
Hey,
following
listen,
me.
look, this is from Hanami last month. You look fine.
See, we've got a ton like that.
Wait,
Nothing weird.
there! Do you see it?
The face
What
is...
the?
It wasn't made to keep memories, child. That camera, it takes them. Belonged to a war photographer. He thought it a miracle until he realized every frame was a
She broke the camera. Oh, she's dead. She saw herself as a dead person. So overall, it followed the prompt very beautifully and it crafted the story according to the prompt. And even though the story theme was very good, so you can also generate these kind of stories, these kind of anime stories and post them on the YouTube, because I have seen a lot of different videos based on the Sora, but you can see the Sora 2 watermark on all of these videos, but in this one you don't have any watermark, you don't have any limitation, so you can post as many videos as you want, and you can also start a story channel using this AI tool. And I personally believe that this is such a powerful tool and no one is talking about this tool because they didn't know about it. And just imagine if you can generate these kind of short stories, short films and post it on the YouTube, because Sora 2 captures from the different angles and character is consistent. If you have a good story, you're gonna blow the internet, bro. So if you want to try it out, the template link will be in the description below. And if we talk about their pricing options, this is starting from as low as $6. And you can also sell this service on the marketplace like Fiverr, and if you are able to deliver this level of quality, you're gonna win this game. So that's it from this video. I hope this video was very helpful for you, and if you guys enjoyed this video, do give it a thumbs up and I'll see you in the next one.